Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we turn everyday household items into powerful cleaning tools. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your tennis shoes using nothing but good old baking soda. Yes, you heard that right. This common kitchen staple is about to become your new best friend in the battle against dirty shoes. That's right, the magic powder sitting in your pantry has more uses than you thought. It's not just for baking or deodorizing your fridge. Let's dive in and see how it can transform your shoes. First things first, gather your materials. It's always best to have everything you need within arm's reach before you start any project. You'll need baking soda, some water, an old toothbrush, and a small bowl, got it? Great! These simple items are all you need to bring your shoes back to life. Start by mixing 3 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of water in your bowl. This ratio is key to getting the right consistency for your cleaning paste. Mix it up until you get a thick paste. You want it to be thick enough to stick to your shoes but not so thick that it's hard to spread. This is your secret cleaning weapon. It's gentle, yet effective, making it perfect for cleaning delicate materials like the fabric of your tennis shoes. Next, grab your shoes and remove the laces. This will make it easier to clean every nook and cranny of your shoes. Toss them in some warm, soapy water to let them soak. This will help loosen any dirt and grime that's built up on them. We'll get back to those later. For now, let's focus on the main event, cleaning the shoes themselves. Now, apply the baking soda paste to your shoes using the toothbrush. Make sure to cover all the dirty spots. Don't be shy, get in there and scrub those dirty spots. The more effort you put in, the better the results will be. The baking soda works like a gentle abrasive, lifting dirt right off your shoes. It's amazing how effective such a simple ingredient can be. Once you've covered all the spots, let the paste sit on your shoes for about 15 minutes. This gives the baking soda time to work its magic and break down the dirt. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. While you're waiting, let's handle those laces. They deserve some attention too. Scrub them gently with the same toothbrush, then rinse and set them aside to dry. Alright, time's up. Let's get back to the shoes. Grab a damp cloth and wipe off the baking soda paste from your shoes. Be thorough to make sure you remove all the paste. You'll notice they're already looking cleaner. It's like a mini makeover for your shoes. For any stubborn stains, you can repeat the process until your shoes are as good as new. Sometimes, a little extra effort is needed for those tough spots. And remember, clean shoes make you feel like $1,000,000. There's nothing quite like the feeling of putting on a fresh, clean pair of shoes. Finally, let your shoes air dry completely before putting the laces back in. This step is crucial to ensure they're fully dry and ready to wear. Pro tip: stuff them with newspaper to help them keep their shape while they dry. This also helps absorb any remaining moisture. And there you have it. Fresh, clean tennis shoes with just a few household items and a bit of elbow grease. Fresh, clean tennis shoes with just a few household items and a bit of elbow grease. It's amazing what you can achieve with a little DIY spirit. If you enjoyed this DIY hack, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tips. We've got plenty more tricks up our sleeves. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning. Until next time, keep those shoes looking fabulous.